Never backing down from the television where they wore a deal without a plan. Had some minor luck, wasn't hanging there by much. Turned their only views instead. So put it in the mix if you stop and think of it, something better.